If you want to install iOS launcher on Realme 14T, then first of all we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna tap on search over here in order to search for the iOS launcher. You should be able to find a bunch of different apps that you can try out. However, in my case, I'm just gonna use, let's say, this one over here. So I'm gonna use this one, I'm gonna install this one, I'm gonna show you how it looks like, how to set it up, but of course feel free to try anything else. Once it is installed, we're gonna open it. It should be quite easy to set up, but let me show you how to do this. So over here we're gonna press consent. Of course we can see ads in the meantime, that's quite normal, but the app in this case is actually free. It has a premium offer, but it is not required to purchase it. So once we have the option to choose the language, let's actually hide this app. Then of course we can select our language. I'm gonna choose English and press continue. Let's wait for the next screen. Now let's press next. Just keep pressing next and then get started. After that we can also select a wallpaper, so if you wish to use any of these, then of course you can select them and press continue. In my case I'm gonna skip by tapping this button in the top right corner. Over here we can press continue with free version. Of course we have an ad, which we should be able to close. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and after a short while you should see that we can tap the screen in order to continue. There we go, tap on screen to start explore. Now over here we are prompted to set up the launcher as the default launcher for the home screen, so you can press set as default and then select the launcher. However, we can also just press later. Of course, some features are or can be missing if you don't set up the launcher as the default one, but it doesn't really matter. We can just ignore that. We also have information about the blur effect issue, which appears pretty much every time. So we can just press don't ask again. And there we go, we have the iOS launcher. We can go to the app library over here. We have our app library, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.